In this video, I will show you how to fix RV There Yet crashing on Steam using a few simple steps. Follow along and try each fix one by one. First, open up Steam, go to your library, find RV There Yet in the list. I don't have the game installed right now, but the process will be the same for any game. Right click on the game, select Properties, stay in the General tab, look for Launch Options. Click inside the box, type -DX11. You can also try -D3D11 if DX11 doesn't work. Close the Properties window and start the game to see if it launches without crashing. If the game still crashes, go to your Steam library, right click on RV There Yet again, open Properties, switch to Install Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and download anything that is missing or broken. Wait for the process to finish, then try launching the game again. If the issue continues, close Steam, then open the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or the AMD Adrenalin app if you use an AMD GPU. Check for driver updates and install the latest version available. If you do find a latest version, go ahead and install it once downloaded. Once done, restart your PC after the update is done. Now, disable in-game overlays in the NVIDIA app. Turn off in-game overlay option. If you do use it on Discord, open Discord settings, go to the overlay. It is the same process here on the NVIDIA app, so same settings, go ahead and turn that off. If none of this works, the last step is to uninstall RV There Yet from Steam. Restart your PC, then reinstall the game and try launching it again. This usually fixes the problem and any remaining issues that might cause the corrupted file. If you do like this video and this video helped you get the fix, please don't forget to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.